Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at, of course, is the Lionel 8410 General, the Redwood Valley Express. And this was a cheap DC set, of course. And the thing about these DC locomotives, they're a third of the cost of the AC locomotives. Physically, they're the same as far as externally. Has a different motor in it. This has a CAN motor. It ran on DC. Anyway, I converted it to AC by adding full wave bridge rectifier. Just pull the shell off, put a rectifier on the motor. It's an AC locomotive. The problem with it, of course, is it's set up strictly as a Lionel locomotive. It has a Lionel coupler. And been trying to figure out some easy way to be able to couple this to Marx. So what I came up with was this. Now, on the Lionel truck, as you see, there is a stud sticking up right there on the opposite side of the coupler. So what I did was I just turned the truck around, as you see, drilled a hole in a tab and slot, dropped it over that stud, and then just melted the stud with the end of a red hot drill bit. So it's permanent, and it now has both tab and slot and Lionel, and the tab and slot pivots, as you see. So anyway, thought I'd do a quick video of taking this around, pulling Marx. Never been able to do this before with this locomotive. So I've got the Marx Consist, as you see, tin litho. So we can just drop this directly on to the tab and slot, and we are ready to pull Marx with the Lionel 8410. So let's see how this goes. As you see, it works absolutely perfectly. So that opens up a lot of possibilities for this locomotive. It was strictly Lionel. Now with that tab and slot coupler, it'll couple with tab and slot, plastic tilt, or plastic knuckle. So I can virtually pull anything I own with this locomotive now. And you just swing the coupler out that you want to use. You want to use it with Lionel, swing out the Lionel coupler. Want to use tab and slot, swing out the tab and slot. And it pivots. So this works really, really well. It's really simple. Best of all, it really opens up the applications for these DC locomotives that were Lionel only. Of course, this will work on any of the Lionel trucks that have that stud, but as you see, it works absolutely perfectly. And when you don't want to use the tab and slot, turn it around and use the standard Lionel. Really straightforward, really simple. Best of all, it works. First time I've ever been able to pull Marx with this Lionel locomotive. And that's running at 40% power, pulling tin litho. So it works, it's easy, it's simple, best of all, it's free. And like I said, it really expands what you can do with this locomotive. Because if you wanted to use the original tinder with it, it simply would not couple with Marx, no matter what you did. So in this case, I just added that tab and slot coupler and just turned the truck around for whatever coupler you want to use. Anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.